MedCerts has helped me able to have a career that my kids are proud of, that my family's proud of, and being able to work towards something that is changing my whole family's life for the better.
The reason we chose MedCerts over another program was the ease of being able to do it all online, be able to get certified, and be able to test in the hospital.
We hire people that have no experience, so it was a blessing to have a program in place that would help push them along a little faster.
Coming from somewhere with zero knowledge of how to do what I do to where I'm at now, I mean, it would have been a mistake not to do it.
Now, my kids think that I'm a doctor. I have to tell them otherwise.
MedCerts, they provide me the tools that I needed to find what I was looking for.
The role that San Luis Valley Health played, it was monumental. If they hadn't decided to go with the MedCerts program, I have no idea how far I'd be as opposed to now.
I've seen a lot of growth in such a shorter time with our techs and their training in the room.
It's helped me learn while also getting hands-on training. Having those two combined has really helped me to understand my job more and understand the role of the surgical tech.
The partnership, I think, has been very well, and we're extremely proud of our surgical techs and how much they've learned and how much they've grown.